become citizens. I really look forward to welcoming you officially in a few moments' time. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.